Yes, if you want to learn how to wash catfish professionally, this video is for you. Some people want to wash their catfish. They will stay where they are washing one catfish for 30 minutes or 1 hour. If you follow this method, which I'm showing you right now, trust me, you will be happy that you come across this video. If this is your first time to see my channel, do well to subscribe. This channel is all about how to make homemade food in a rich way or economical way. Well, after cutting your catfish, if you have lemon, if you have lime, it's good to go. Do well to cut your lime and lemon, extract the juice on the catfish. This will help the catfish from sliming. It will help the catfish from having that catfish odor, that offensive odor. Alright? This lime will help you in doing that. Stay tuned, keep on watching to see how we are doing it. We are already using the lime to scrub on the catfish, one after the other. When you are done with scrubbing it, leave the lime inside the bowl you use. Then add salt, add boiled water, very hot one, and leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can even do less than that. When you do, the reason of doing this, it will help the catfish not to scatter inside the pot when cooking it. Alright, now I'm turning it after 5 minutes. That is when I turn this to make sure that the hot water do its work very well. Alright, this will also help in those sliming things. Alright, now I turn it and still leave it for more 5 minutes. Now I come to check. The water is very hot. Now what I did, I have to remove it one after the other in another bowl. After removing it, I go in with cold water. Then see the way I'm going to remove those sliming things without stress, without wasting time. Watch very well. If you have watched this video to this extent, please do well to give me a thumb like. Do you see how I'm moving them? We will not have any atom of slime on this catfish. No atom of odor on this catfish. Do well to subscribe. Drop your question on comment section. And stay tuned as you subscribe. Do well to turn on your notification bell. Then how to make the right catfish pepper soup video will drop soon. Alright, 3 days from now it will drop. So do well to subscribe and stay tuned. Now, you have seen the way we are cleaning the catfish shell thoroughly. We are done washing it. After washing it, you put in a bowl or put in a pot. Alright? Then proceed. See the way we clean it off the slimy things. This is the best way to wash a catfish. Well, do want to subscribe, share this video, drop a question on comment section, and wait for the main video on how to cook catfish pepper soup. Thank you for watching.